don't have shoes. You prefer to walk this way.
What? Oh my gosh, my shoes are gone. Hey, who took them?
You forgot to take shoes. How do you forget?
No, just joking, just joking.
He was very lucky because they now only live.
Or you have walked a lot.
I like walking no shoes.
Wow.
And I thought, yeah, I will do it here.
Because this is just a smooth place.
It wasn't smooth by neither motor car, I tell you, it was hard rock.
Here we don't have snakes.
Snakes are usually not so bad because they don't like us. We make too much noise.
Really?
Yeah. Masai.
Oh, you're on me again.
Too much noise. Caught between George and Johnson.
Oh, yeah, don't forget.
Yeah, we are caught between John and John.
Barefooted man. This is one. Oh, it's big. So do you
It's
get
like
ready
hippo
to go to
sized.
bath when it's sunny?
Yeah, they come back for maybe 2 hours. You know, the sun affects their skin. So they need the sun, but not too much.
Okay.
The one very early in the morning, the one that's not as strong.
Okay.
And maybe late in the evening. But in the middle of the day,
You can. So they're floating. They just